Hi, my name is Gareth. I'm a professional services engineer here at EPX Technical Services. In this video, I'll explain to you how to use the EPX Service Delivery Portal. EPX Service Delivery Portal is a software application that is installed onto your enrolled work device to make raising and tracking tickets easier and quicker than email or phone calls to the service desk. You'll receive real-time notifications when an engineer is assigned to, updates or closes a ticket in our system, and you can also communicate and add information directly in the portal application. I will now show you how to log in to the EPX Customer Portal. You'll see links for the EPX Customer Portal on your desktop, or you can use the browser-based version at epx.deskdirector.com. To open the portal, simply double-click the icon and the main login window will appear. To log in, please use your Office 365 business email address and click Next. You may then see a portal selection screen. If you see this screen, please select the client portal. If not, then continue. You'll be prompted for your password. Again, this is your normal Office 365 business company password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled on your Office 365 account, you'll see the prompt for this now. You will be asked if you wish to remain logged in. In most cases, this is fine, but if you're on a shared PC, it is advised that you click No. Once logged in, you'll see this landing page. Here, you can create new tickets and see existing tickets. We can now create a new ticket. In this section, you'll be able to pick from employee changes, where you can tell us if an employee is leaving the company, or if you have a new starter, or technical support request. This pretty much covers all issues with PC equipment. You also have the Something Else section. This is for general questions that you may have of a non-technical nature. In this instance, we're going to create a technical support request. The summary allows you to tell us briefly what your problem is. How can we help? That allows you to be a bit more descriptive about your problem. Also tell us if you have tried anything. We also ask at this point if you had a good contact number so that we can call you if needed. You also have the opportunity to take a screenshot. So if you have an error message on your screen, click Take a Screenshot and it will add it to the ticket. You can also attach files. So if you're having an issue with a specific file, you can attach it here and it will be added and we can take a look. Once you're ready, click Submit. Once submitted, you will see this screen. This will allow you to track where your ticket is in our system. You'll be able to see who is assigned to the ticket, which engineer is working on it. If it's in progress or waiting an update from yourself, you'll see the ticket number. So if you do need to chase us for anything, you can quote that and you'll see a created time and the last update time. From here, you'll be able to track everything in real time. You can also add more notes. So if something else happens between the time you report it and an engineer getting in touch, add it here and it will update the ticket and the engineer will see it. You can also close the ticket if the issue is no longer a problem. That brings us to the end of the EPX Service Delivery Portal guide. If you have any questions or issues, please raise them with our support team by emailing support@epx.co.uk. One of the team will be happy to help. If you are currently not a customer and you are interested in the IT support services that we offer, please submit your inquiries via our website at epx.co.uk or call us on 01785 878 311. Thank you.